So we'll see how that will be translated in today's game.
Yep. Nina Itang, cross court.
Last activation there for Nina Itang, really just familiar with the set of her setters, and that will be such a great area. So we'll see how she will translate, especially when she goes in front. But this time, that attack.
Great activation for Bien Bansil on the side of the Fighting Maroons.
Spikers.
And you can really see the connection of Lams Lamina to her attackers.
As well as Malibutan with
Jalay Gajero. Lams Lamina to Cham. She's denied.
Beautiful act.
So far, UP,
because Bella Bella, when she came in her collegiate years, she was already performing and leading as a rookie. So medyo mahaba yung time na malaki yung inaasahan sa kanya ng NU. So this time, it's so nice to see people stepping up, just like Celine Marsh with that hammer.
Teams on that sequence as Celine Marsh will score a point. Pat, cross court. Defense was there for UP. Ira. Lams chooses Alexa. This school play is brought to you by R&B MLT. Order now.
Lamina just doing lamang sila, and now try nila humabol.
As Ira will try and she scores.
Top the consistency that NU was showing.
Malimutan goes to Jelay. Cross court.
Bumawi na si Gajero. So if we can see here, medyo malayo siya mag-approach sa net. Pero once she gets her elevate, especially because Gajero is now in front.
Celine Marsh, combination play.
This time that momentum is killed.
Abuneta with a pass. Jelay cross court.
This time, wala lang chance. But every time she elevates, she flies and soars. Wow, what a spike.
The spike. Vance with a pass. Celine Marsh, this time down the line.
If you want to kill, that ball will find itself to the floor.
And it's really nice to see her grow as a player here, doing such a huge responsibility. Ali, she's denied.
This time blocked by Maaya.
Rhodes. This block is brought to you by Peri Peri Charcoal Chicken and Sauce Bar. Order now.
To properly place it. Good first ball for NU.
Vangeline Sog powering through.
If you
Ira. Defense was there for the Lady Bulldogs. Van, she's denied.
That set was a bit too far. The UP Fighting Maroons to read where that ball would go.
This block is brought to you by Peri Peri Charcoal. Vanch with a jump serve. Matiaga goes to Itang.
It is another running attack for her. So smooth.
This school play is brought to you by R&B.
Two spikers in front for UP as well as NU.
Celine Marsh.
That is this set with a beautiful spike coming from the most explosive player, Celine Marsh.
5 is our score.
Names.
Yes. Madriaga goes to Olango.
Olango from the back. You know, when to adjust to how the team was playing, but this time she's actually setting up the pace. And
goes to Escanlar. Great dig by Cassie. Olango from behind.
Battle of the open spikers, indeed.
Cassie will try and she scores.
Exactly what times, and every time she's activated, it comes to a point.
That play was brought to you by Kick, powered by. Great serve there for NU. Reverse to Cassie down the line.
Easy. Nakaibabaw siya. And if you see her approach, ang layo niya from the attack line mag-approach. And that just comes to show that she has in-game, in real time, is such a skill for any player to really develop. Because you really try to learn.
Give up a free ball. Madriaga reverses to Olango.
Olango. Quiet the court, especially when she's activated in the opposite side. I think it's really her bread and
Bombita. Great defense for UP. Cepeda with a pass. Pono, combination play. And great defense from UP. Noceja, cross court, no go. Bombita. Great rally so far. And Cassie right behind.
Point, another place from the court, and this time it's from the back row, and you know that she's actually used to.
Great serve there from Olango. Pono reverses to Bombita down the line.
This time Bombita successful with.
Yep. Oh. Miscommunication there for UP. Cepeda with a pass. Pono, 1-2 play.
Nakabanday doon si
Yep.
Dongalio.
Dongalio down the line.
Not looking for the UP Fighting Maroons is really just stop the momentum of the NU Lady Bulldogs.
This spike is brought to OC Open. So that's a great instruction from Coach Fabio as Cassie cross court.
Set up because of how powerful her attacks are.
This spike is brought to you by Potato Corner.
The previous times, they actually try have a little hug instead of just high-fiving, the usual high five, slap in the butt. Confidence also to the players going inside.
This block is brought to you by Peri Peri Charcoal Chicken and Sauce Bar. Order now.
It's a different kind of counting na magkasabay kayo, and a different kind of reading when it comes to where the opponent will hit.
Kasi malaking bagay yung gap sa blocking, Richie, no? Kumbaga kung may a little space lang, it's actually an opportunity na rin for the opponent na kung saan nila pwede i-pass through yung bola.
Exactly. Ang laki ng chance na makakalusot yan if hindi naka-close yung blocking mo. At this time,
number 2, but UP secures this set 25.
Exactly.
Because our all-2-player rule states na pag set number 3, the coaches have the liberty na to choose. For NU, you have Lams Lamina, Alexa Mata, right on time. Of course, Pat Salas.
One set apiece, you will really expect the starters like Alexa Mata to really step up.
It's as if nagaling sa atake, but still naka-counter sila ng attack from the middle. So it's really a nice first ball, but this time
not your usual explosive attack. It was just a quick clip of the wrist for Cassie Dongalio.
This Lams goes to Celine, cross court.
Marsh just had all the ones with that kind of elevation and explosive approach. He was able to get the perfect contact with that ball to land right in the middle blockers. Is to really confuse the blockers of your opponent.
Kaya I remember, Richie, when I was still playing, no? So, under Coach Kung, lagi siyang galit pag yung mga
of making in-game adjustments, and for the Lady Bulldogs to think on their feet. With pressure comes learning, and pressure is a privilege, sabi pa.
Set of Coach Reg, na yung trust na binibigay niya sa girls is really manifested kung paano niya. And this block is brought to you by Peri Peri Charcoal Chicken and Sauce Bar. Order now.
It is also taking advantage of the time that they get to communicate with the coach, especially because the coach will always side of the court and not inside.
As this school play is brought to you by R&B Milk Tea. Order now.
His setters, it's changing the whole play. It's changing the whole mind inside the court because the setter is the playmaker. Ellen Sug is now quickly activated.
Serving. Jalai with a pass. Jelai again, and she scores.
This time with more power for Jelai. Very skillfully gifted, especially in the jumping department because it gives you a lot of avenue.
Jelai with a pass. Cassie adjusts. Mga limutan to Jelai. Cross court, and that's good.
Too much power for Lakers.
Oh, great defense.
And defending too.
Cassie. Shaira Hardio was there. Reverse set to Vaj from behind. That's good. The middle. Lams to Cham. Mga limutan reverses to Olango. Great block.
To run for the ball.
Kumbaga hindi sila mag-depend na sa knee pads, no? Back-to-back ace.
And the quick attackers. So it's nice to see that Celine Marsh has been dominant in another
easy float over. Mga limutan goes to Jalai, cross court, and it's good. para tumatakbo yung mga blockers ng NU. And Itang hammers it down. Our score after that is Lamina. Jalay with a pass. Olango from behind. She's denied.
Alexa Macol, it gives you kind of motivation
Yeah.
na, oh, the next point is mine.
Yes. So let's see. As Cassie Dongallo will try again. She's denied.
Oh, what that explosive attack.
Ardio will set it up to Celine. Coverage was there for NU. Celine will try again. Great defense for UP. Cassie cross court, no go. Vange, and it's good.
Perfect spot for, and she was actually already looking at UP on where to direct that ball.
That play was brought to you by Kick, powered by Smart. So out of the 5 points from UP, three of
Three of
those,
them was- yes.
error. But the combination play from Celine Marsh.
Let's see that once again. A lower set as well, but she was able to quickly adjust and become faster.
Face them, and we have a lot of learning, especially sa invitational game na yun. According to her, they made a lot of adjustments, focusing on each player, studying both strengths and weaknesses. And we can see na hindi talaga bibitaw.
Danny for that report. During the national invitationals, it was UP and NU that played in that champion doon. But what a great mindset coming from Cassie Dongallo na.
Because alam nilang kaya nila.
yes.
In the UAAP, they were able to win against NU.
Easy ball over. Gajero. Lams to the open. Vange cross court.
Claim once again. Good first ball. But a kneeling set to Vange Alinsug. And
Fabio. Jalay down the line, and it's good. That hits. Perfect pass. Not the best of sets though. Cassie down the line, and it's good. It's a great down the line hit from
want to stay on top and in control of the game. And just like that, Mata was able to find
Cassie with a pass. Cassie, she's denied.
this time for that explosive attack. Pero nakabantay na and nakasarado ang blockings.
Unfortunately, Coach Fabio, wala nang timeout as Vange Alinsug scores an ace.
In defense, in serving, in attacking, and even blocking a while ago. She had a couple too. And this time, Marsh remains consistent. A longer hit from Marsh, but you see her actually directing her spike where against the Lady Falcons yesterday, because in yesterday's stats, lamang ang Lady Falcons with the spikes, lamang sila sa block. It was really the service aces. They had 10.
Yes. Mga limutan goes to Ali. Cross court, a great defense for NU. Celine cross court, and it's good. Ganon.
Yes. And ang bilis niya din bumawi.
Yes.
And with so much conviction. Look at that attack. Really.
Malimutan goes to the middle. Lams chooses Celine, and she scores.
Beautiful point from Celine Moore.